What's up and welcome back to my channel. Today I am making Earthy Andy's chocolate chip cookie recipe. These are vegan and they can be made gluten-free, but I'm just using all-purpose flour. I am not telling my family that these are vegan. I've seen so many posts of people making these and can't believe that they're vegan and just how good they are, and so I wanted to try it. So I'm not gonna tell my family that these are vegan, and it'll be the real test to see how good these are. Yeah, okay, well, let's get started. So I've preheated my oven to 375 degrees. I have everything already measured out, all right here. Mise en place, remember from the first video? Yeah, so first what we're gonna do is we're gonna combine our wet ingredients. So that is our half a cup of coconut oil, not melted, but solid coconut oil. This is taking the place of butter in a normal recipe, just so you know, fat. So that's not melted. And we're combining it with 1 1/4 cups of packed sugar cane. I'm using coconut sugar because I don't have just regular sugar cane. And then it is 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract right here, already measured out, and 1/4 cup of coconut milk. I measured it and then put it in this bigger thing because I needed my 4th cup. She says the creamier the better, so I used full fat coconut milk and I grabbed the chunks of the coconut fat on top to put in there as well, and I'll just mix that up really well. The next thing, which is a 4th cup of either mashed banana or applesauce. I used applesauce. And yeah, so these are all my wet ingredients. So I'm gonna add, I've got my sugar already in the bowl. I'm gonna add my coconut oil. Okay, coconut oil, my 1/4 cup of applesauce. If you remember in the first video, the chocolate chip banana bread, the double chocolate chip banana bread, you can substitute mashed banana with applesauce. So that's what I'll do. Well, no, actually, she said you can use either or, which reiterates my point. They're totally interchangeable. Pro tip. All right, and then your vanilla, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Guys, get yourself a good vanilla extract. I love Mexican vanilla. Every time I go to Mexico, I just have to grab some. But you can also order it online. But pure Mexican vanilla is so good. And it just changes your recipes completely. You have to have good vanilla. And you want it to be pure vanilla, because a lot of them will have added things, and no, you want pure vanilla extract. All right, and then the 4th cup of coconut milk. Creamier the better. All right, so I'm gonna blend this all together, mix it all up. Okay, I finished blending that all up, and now I'm gonna do my dry ingredients. 2 1/4 cup of flour, not packed. So I think I'm gonna do a video, a tutorial. That is the hardest word to say. I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to measure flour properly. So if you normally just dig right in there with your measuring cup, you're doing it wrong. Stay tuned for a tutorial. Oh, I said it right. All right, so 2 1/4 cup of flour, all-purpose flour. And then, let me double check what this is. All right, 1 teaspoon of baking soda and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I already have them both measured out. I just forgot what they were. So put those in there. And I'm gonna blend that all together. Oopsies. Folding this in. I'm excited to see how this turns out. I've never made healthy cookie. Well, okay, this isn't necessarily a healthy recipe. This isn't necessarily a healthy recipe, but it's vegan, and I've never made vegan cookies before, so we will see. I'm excited to see if my family can tell. They might hear me talking, but I doubt they're listening. All right, so that's all folded in, nice and pretty. And then the chocolate chips, my favorite part. I think she said 2 cups of chocolate chips. If you remember from my banana bread recipe or the other one, I don't measure, I just do it, but 2 cups, that's a generous amount, and I'm very satisfied with her choice in that. So these are Lily's dark chocolate baking chips, sweetened with stevia. I'm still not entirely sure how I feel about these. I just recently started baking with vegan chocolates and with these ones. I don't know, there's some other vegan chocolate chips that I think I'm gonna try once I'm done with that bag, because they kind of bake weird. I don't know. If you've tried these and like them, let me know what you think. Tell me how you like them in the comments below. Or if you have any chocolate chips that you love to use, please comment that below and I would love to test those ones out. Okay, anyways, folding this in, all done. There we go. Okay, so now what she says is chill this. You want to chill this for like 20 to 30 minutes. And typically with a lot of chocolate chip cookies that you make, you want to, or just a lot of, not just chocolate chip, just cookies that you make, it really helps to put them in the fridge, or if you're in a time crunch, in the freezer, because that kind of stiffens them up so that they hold their shape a lot better in the oven. But if you like flat cookies, because some people do, then skip that step. But I found definitely, like with my chocolate chip cookie recipe, I always chill them at least 3 hours. It works super well if you chill it, like you bake the dough or make the dough the day before and then chill it overnight and then bake them the next day. It works so well. So I recommend that, and I'm happy that she recommends that too. I'm gonna chill this. This is poorly set up. Not even center, sorry. All right, I'm gonna chill it. Okay, I just have to say, I don't normally like golden milk, and I feel like living in Southern California, it was such a fad, and everybody wanted either a matcha latte or golden milk when they went out to brunch. That sounds so, that's so millennial Southern California talk. Anyways, I never really liked it that much. I love the benefits of turmeric, but I've never, the flavor isn't something that I particularly love. But this golden milk latte by, I think it was Minimalist Baker. Okay, well, the phone just fell over mid-sentence. Anywho, you should see the janky setup I have to hold the phone up. I don't even use my real phone to video or a real camera. I use Ryan's phone because my phone is, I don't know what kind, what even version or whatever it is, but it's old and it doesn't have very good videoing or anything. So I use Ryan's, and it's currently being held up on the stack of my baking equipment, held up by a sponge sitting there. So anywho, it's bound to fall every now and then. But oh yeah, golden milk is actually this ancient Ayurvedic healing drink from India. So it's not just some super expensive drink that you can get at some really bougie cafe. It actually has super good healing properties, and my whole body has just been bloated today and yesterday. Just everything is just puffy. So I made this today, trying to find a recipe that I like, and the turmeric and the ginger in it are so good for inflammation and digestion. So if you are looking for a good recipe, comment below and I will share this with you. I don't remember where I got it from. It might be Minimalist Baker, or I can make a video on this. It's super quick, super easy, and so good. Yeah, so let me know if you want to watch, if you want to get that information from you, and I will give it to you. But otherwise, I'll just be here waiting for my dough to chill and drinking my yummy, not turmeric latte. It is a turmeric latte, but it's golden milk. All right, we are back. And Ryan here is going to help help me review these cookies. I just pulled them out of the oven. The rest of the dough is chilling in the freezer. So let's try it.
Let's do it.
Be honest.
Are they vegan?
Mm-hmm. How'd you know?
It's just not as sweet as a normal cookie, but for a vegan cookie, I feel like it's very good.
So the sweetness could be from, because it calls for sugar cane, but I didn't have it, so I used coconut sugar. Which coconut sugar isn't as sweet as.
It's pretty good though.
I like it.
I feel like it's growing on me.
So noticeably vegan, but only for the sweetness. But the sweetness has nothing to do with dairy. That's the sugar choice. So I use coconut sugar because I didn't have anything else and I didn't want to use brown sugar. But we'd probably recommend using either brown sugar or sugar cane because the coconut sugar isn't as sweet.
Honestly, they're very good though.
Really?
Yeah.
There you have it.
I ate the whole thing just now.
There you have it. All right, on Instagram, I'll let you know how other people like them. So yeah, follow me on Instagram to see how the rest of the family enjoys them. And I will post this recipe and Earthy Andy's website and Instagram down in that section. I'll also post my Instagram down there as usual, so you can see how the rest of the review goes. If you enjoyed this video, please like it. Please subscribe to my channel if you want to find more recipes, either my recipes or reviews of other people's recipes. Throw in the comments any questions or recipes you want me to try. And if you try these cookies, if you try any of my recipes, please post a picture, share it, and tag me in it so I know that if you like them. All right. Thank you.
Bye.
Bye. Thank you.